The Chicco KidFit ClearTex Plus booster seat offers superior protection with its DuoGuard system, which provides robust head and body support through 10 adjustable positions. This booster seat is designed for convenience with premium latch connectors and a SuperCinch one-pull tightener, ensuring secure attachment and easy transfer between vehicles. ClearTex materials in the KidFit ClearTex Plus meet flammability standards without flame-retardant chemicals, making it a safer choice for health-conscious parents. The contoured ErgoBoost seat with double foam padding ensures comfort for children, while 2 dishwasher-safe cup holders add practicality and convenience. This booster seat is versatile, with a 2-position recline that adapts to the vehicle seat, and it can transform into a backless booster for older children. All fabric components, including armrest covers, are removable and machine washable, enhancing the seat's longevity and ease of maintenance for busy parents.